Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Robinhood account. And make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically, all we need to do is just to go to the Robinhood website and simply you can just search for Robinhood in your web browser, and then you will need just to go to the website, and from there you will need just to click on sign up. And basically, I'm just going to click on sign up, and you can simply either use you will start adding your region, etc., and your informations. For example, you can use the US or the United Kingdom. You will need just to click on continue, and basically you will have your name, email address. You can choose any email address that you would like, and basically you will add some passwords there, and basically you will need just to click on continue, and you can log in to complete your application. If you already started your process, you will need just to click on continue, and from there you will need just to continue with the process. Let's just do something random so we can be able. So from here you will be needing to start adding your phone numbers, your address, apartment, city, etc. And let's suppose let's have some number like this, and I'm going just to have like this some apartment building city, even if they are not eligible. You can have any zip code, and basically they must be valid so they can be accepted. And you will need us to have maybe list numbers, and I'm just going to click on continue until you have uh, all the information. So basically you will need just to continue with the process until you finish creating your account, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.